Google Plus is going away, and I'm not sad about it. Google Plus has been around for many years now, and some things that have come out of Google have been fantastic, and it's because of Google Plus, like Google Hangouts and YouTube Live, kind of the same thing. I think Facebook groups have become better and better because of Google Plus communities. I think the design of Facebook has become better because of Google Plus in general. I have almost 55,000 followers on Google Plus, but you know what? Majority of them aren't even real. Majority of them are just bots that were created and they just follow whoever. I would much rather have 1,000 real followers on a social platform than 54,000 fake ones. I would much rather be in groups or communities where people are engaging rather than just posting spam all the time. Now, Google just had a breach, and because of the breach, they kind of pushed them towards the decision of shutting down Google Plus and just making a commercial version which companies can pay for to be used for their businesses. Google is going to try and compete heavily with Slack, and software like Slack. I mean, Facebook's doing it already, and so are many others. So why not? Why should Google try it again? They've already tried it many times. Google is notorious for shutting things down, like Picasa, which then turned into Google Photos, and Snapseed, which has turned into Google Photos. So am I sad that Google Plus is shutting down? No. It means there's one more social network that I can not put any energy into. It means that there's one less I have to worry about. Yes, it will be sad to lose those 55,000 followers, but again, majority of them are real. And for those who have multi-million followers on Google Plus, I pretty much promise you majority of those aren't real either. Google Plus did have some benefits, but the cons outweighed the pros. And again, I have no problem with Google Plus going away. If you are following me on Google Plus and you want to join me elsewhere, you can find me on Twitter and on Facebook and on Instagram and, of course, here on YouTube. So join me there. Click that subscribe button below right now to subscribe to me on YouTube and karate kick that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. And, of course, you can join me on all the socials. Just search for Scott Wyden on all the socials and you'll find me where I am, interactive and engaging and having fun. See you there.